Hello everyone. So today we will be speaking about determiners. Determiners are used in front of the nouns so that it can specify which particular noun am I talking about. So it is going to specify which particular matter are we going to speak about. So those are the determiners. So we have got different types of determiners. We have articles as one of the determiners. So articles are a and the, based on which word it is before it, what is it going to be placed is a and the. We have possessive determiners, which is me, my, your, his, her, it, ours, their, whose. So all these things, one who possesses it. The other thing is demonstrative, these, that, these, those. Numerals like 1, 2, 3. Ordinals, in which order it is, first, second, next, last. And then quantifiers. Quantifiers are like many, few, some, every, much, a lot, any, less. So it is talking about the quantity. So there are different determiners which are there. So let us solve a few questions based on this determiners. Coming to an worksheet of determiners, let us solve this. So fill in the correct word. So this is some determiners, some, any. These are quantitative determiners, and almost all of these are quantitative determiners that we are going to work on. So now some or any, what will be there? Could you check if there are dash calls on the answering machine? So I am talking about if there are any calls in the answering machines. When I'm sure of something, then I say some. Okay, and if I am not sure, I say any. So I don't want any present on my birthday. I'm talking about nil, no. Did they have any news for you? Okay, any kind of news that is there. I am hungry. I will have some sandwiches. I will have some sandwiches because sandwiches are there. I want to have some sandwiches. There aren't any apples left. So I am talking about any again. So there aren't any apples left. So when I'm talking about none or nothing or something which is negative, I use any. Okay, is there any news? So almost if there is no news that I have, then I will say there is any news. If I'm sure that there is some news, then I say there is some news. Okay, so that is a questioning. Whenever it's a question, I use any, or whenever it's negative matter, I say any. Okay, and some I use when I am sure about it. Next, coming to the next, much and many. So I will be representing it as U and A. Okay, much is U and many is A. So Samantha has dash money as Bruce. So Samantha, so I use many when I can count it, and I use much when I don't count it. Samantha has much money as Bruce. So how much money do they have? So Samantha has much money as Bruce. How many lessons? So I said much money, right? How many lessons do you have on Monday? I can count the number of lessons. 1, 2, 3. It's very limited. There are 2 dash noise in the street. I cannot count the number of noises in the street. So I will say it is much. There is too much noise in the street. I cannot see dash stars in the sky tonight. I cannot see much stars because you cannot count the number of stars. I cannot see much stars in the sky. Do you have dash friends abroad. So I can count the number of friends that I have. So do you have many friends in the abroad? So that is how I use much and many. Next, coming to my usage of little and few. So when do I use little and when do I have few? Again, countable I use few and uncountable I use little. So there is dash water in the pond. There is little water in the pond because I cannot count. The professor spends little time in the company. It's time. So the professor is spending a little time. It's talking about time, not the moment. So time is not countable. We have dash knowledge of this phenomena. We have little knowledge of this phenomena. Again, I cannot count. There are dash mushrooms in my mushroom soup. There are few mushrooms in my mushroom soup because I can count the number of mushrooms. Dash animals can survive in desert. So few animals can survive in desert. Again, I can count. It is countable. Fine. Next. Here again it's talking the usage of little and a few. A little and a few. Again here a little is very minimum, a few again. So here let us see. Jane has invited dash boys to her party. A few boys to her party. There is still a dash work to do. So there is still a few work to do. So again here also few work to do. They sang a few songs. I can count it. They sang a few songs. Would you like a little more rice? So little. So here I cannot count the number of rice grains. So a little more rice. There will be dash rain this week. There will be a little rain this week. So again little here. If I can count, it is few. If I can't count, it is little. And when a is added to it, a little or a few, it means very, very negligible. Saying almost no. When I say Jane has invited a few boys, that means there is no boys which are a few boys who are invited. That means I am talking about has invited no boys. There is still a few work left, which is very, very nominal, which is almost nil. Okay, so that is what it is. And then after that a few, it is almost, there is a few work to do. So that is almost none. They sang a few songs. So a few songs is almost null. Okay, would you like to have a little more rice? Okay, or there will be a little rain this week. So it's very, very nominal. Okay, next we are coming to choose whether each sentence need identifier, articles, a definite article the and no article. So let us find that. Okay, so here we have dash Beatles were a round band. So here Beatles is the name of a band. So here we can have the Beatles were a rock band. Then this is only time that I can help you. So I am talking about a specific time, which is here also I will use T. The only time that I can help you. I don't like Sylvia. Sylvia is a noun, is a name of a person. So there will be no article which will be used here. Did I come at dash time? Did I come at bad time? So here I will use an article, indefinite article, of course, a or an, because it is bad. I will use a bad time. So I will use a bad time. which dress do you want? So when asked which dress do you want, there are lot many dresses and I am speaking about a definite dress. So I am talking about that specific dress, and that is the white one. Next one, here is, he is dash really good boss. So again an indefinite article because I am not really sure about it. He is a really good boss because R is there, so he is a really good boss. Dash birds that we saw yesterday were beautiful. So I am talking about some particular definite birds. So the birds that we saw yesterday were beautiful. I have dash feeling he is telling me. He is not telling me everything. So I am talking of a feeling which is not definite, which is not exact. So here it is, I am having a feeling. F, feeling. So A. I never have dash good time when I go out with her. I never, so I am not talking about any definite one. So I never have a good time when I go out with her. What a pretty children. What, I cannot say a because it is pretty children plural, so it cannot be a. So what pretty children. So I will have no articles being used here. What a pretty child, but what pretty children. Okay, plural. So in front of plural there is no article that will be there. Okay, if I am very specific, definite I am using, the children are playing, I can use it, but a children is playing or an children is playing doesn't work. So child is playing, a child is playing and children are playing. But I am talking about some specific group of children, I will use the children are playing. So these are few uses of article. Thank you.